Hey guys, it's Keychron here, back with another video. I'm actually so excited about today's video because this guy decided to show up my doorstep this morning. In here is a Keychron K6. I actually ordered the Keychron K6 about a month ago on Keychron. On their website, it's supposed to come in beginning of June or mid-June, but I'm actually so excited that it showed up at my doorstep today. So in this video, I want to share with you guys the unboxing experience and my first impression of this keyboard. But before we get started, if you guys have been enjoying my content, please leave me a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. But let's get into today's video. Alright guys, my first unboxing video, so please, if it goes badly or if it goes wrong, please don't give me too much hate about it. But let's get right into it. We got the Batman knife here today. Autofocus, the Batman knife. So let's get it open with. Alright, there's a little tape here. Get it right up. It's nice and tight packaging here, guys, with the bubble wrap. So there's no damage visible yet on the bubble wrap, I guess. Alright, let's cut it open. Do we need to cut it open? We don't need to cut it open, guys. You can slide it out. Alright, it's the full glory of it. The packaging looks really, really nice, guys. I enjoy this packaging. It's nice and simple, minimalistic. That's what I like about it. Alright, so let's read this. Alright, so the spec is to compare 3 devices. It's wireless and wired, both Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth, obviously. It's compatible with both the Mac and Windows. This is many RGB light effect. This is the RGB version. Battery life is supposed to be one of the best battery life ever that Keychron ever did. So it's 4,000 milliamps. So it's supposed to last forever, apparently. But let's get into the unboxing. We should, let's see, how should we do this? I've never been a good unboxing, even off camera. Let's just cut a piece on top here. Oof, oof, oof. Alright, ASMR for you guys, sorry. Again, guys, packaging is really, really nice. I really enjoy it. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, got a nice plastic piece of foam here. This is actually really good for padding your keyboard when you build a keyboard. This shows how to connect to Bluetooth and how we can turn on and off, how to turn off cable, to use Bluetooth, or how to use cable. And in the back it shows you how to sleep mode, change light effect. You can turn off the backlight. There's a lot of instruction in here. This one is, they just show us how to do the hot swappable. Again, this keyboard is hot swappable. That's one reason why I got it. Oh, it's backward. I didn't know that. Let me turn it around for you guys. There you go. This is the right angle cable right here. Since the charging port of this keyboard is on our left. And this is the main event, the keyboard itself. Let's get it out of this pouch. Let's get it out of this bag. Ooh, I really like this setup, guys. This is actually really beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually absolutely beautiful. I like how minimal it is. But this is the unboxing. What is in the box of the Keychron K6? I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. I know I'm not really good at unboxing. It's my first time ever. So if it was rough, I'm so sorry. But let's get into my first impression of this keyboard so far. The first impression of the build quality is actually really good. I actually got the most expensive version of this keyboard, which is the $100 version. It's made out of plastic. I think it's just aluminum frame screwed on to this keyboard. But it makes the keyboard feels really good in the hand. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's just that perfect weight that you can carry around every day. And you can, the mobility of it is actually really good. I actually like the keycap of this keyboard a lot. I like the dark gray and the gray theme together. It's perfect. It's just so minimal. I love it. So far, my first impression of this keyboard is great. I have not plugged into the computer or connected via Bluetooth just yet. I will share that experience in the next video, where I will talk about my experience this upcoming week that I will be using this keyboard for this upcoming week. For my editing, for my workflow, for my homework, everything. This will be my primary keyboard for the upcoming week. So the next week video, I will talk to you guys about whether I like this keyboard, what's the pros and cons, what I hate, what I don't like about it, what I like about it. So please stay tuned and catch that video. But anyway, this is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and subscribe, and that would mean a lot to me. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.